The conditions not correct for shift warning is a critical safety feature in Chevrolet Bolt electric vehicles that prevents dangerous gear changes when specific system requirements aren't met. This warning appears on the dashboard when the vehicle's computer systems detect that conditions are not safe for changing gears. It's designed to protect both the vehicle and its occupants. This issue primarily affects Chevrolet Bolt models from 2017 through 2022. The problem has become increasingly prevalent as these vehicles age and accumulate higher mileage. Four primary systems work together to control the shifting mechanism. The brake pedal position sensor monitors brake engagement, while the shift interlock solenoid physically prevents shifter movement when conditions aren't met. The body control module processes all sensor inputs and makes shifting decisions, while the 12-volt battery system provides power to operate the shift interlock mechanism. These systems are interconnected through complex electrical circuits that must communicate properly for safe shifting operation. For the system to allow shifting, 5 specific conditions must be met simultaneously. The vehicle must be in park or neutral for certain gear changes, and the brake pedal must be fully pressed. The 12 volts battery must maintain proper voltage between 11.5 and 14.4 volts. All control modules must communicate correctly, and the shift interlock solenoid must be functioning properly. The 12-volt battery voltage is particularly critical, as shown in this voltage chart. When voltage drops below 11.5 volts or exceeds 14.4 volts, the system will prevent shifting as a safety measure. Understanding this warning requires recognizing that all these systems work as an integrated safety network. When any component fails or operates outside normal parameters, the entire system prevents shifting to protect the vehicle and occupants. When facing the conditions not correct for shift warning, systematic troubleshooting is key. Understanding the most common causes helps prioritize your diagnostic approach. Research shows that 12 volts battery issues account for 40% of all cases, making it the primary culprit. Brake pedal position sensor problems follow at 25%, while shift interlock solenoid failures represent 20% of cases. The diagnostic process follows a logical sequence, starting with the most common and easiest to check components first. Battery testing is the critical first step. The 12-volt auxiliary battery must maintain proper voltage under load conditions to ensure reliable shift interlock operation. Battery terminal corrosion is a common culprit that can cause voltage drops and intermittent shift problems. Clean terminals are essential for proper electrical connection. If battery testing passes, the next step involves the brake pedal position sensor and shift interlock system. Understanding the wiring connections helps identify potential failure points. Statistical data reveals important patterns about when and how often this issue occurs, helping owners understand risk factors and prevention strategies. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance and monitoring can help avoid shift warning issues before they occur. By following systematic troubleshooting procedures and implementing preventive maintenance, most Chevy Bolt shift warning issues can be resolved quickly and cost-effectively.